7. Cold freedom, the final price of a sovereign trader. When you reach the end of this road, a very strange moment happens. Not the moment you get rich, not the moment you win big, not the moment you get recognized, but the moment the market no longer makes you tremble. Price still moves, news still floods in, win-loss streaks still arrive like natural law. But inside you, there is no more noise, no more urgency, no more need to act just to escape discomfort, no more urge to prove you're right. You begin to understand a very cold truth. The market was never the enemy. What used to break you was your uncontrolled version of you. And when that version dies, the market becomes neutral. Not kind, not hostile, just an environment. This is what many people dream of, but very few can tolerate. Because what you receive is not excitement. It is cold freedom. Freedom from emotion. Freedom from comparison. Freedom from watching other people's accounts. Freedom from following signals. But this freedom is not warm. No applause. No compliments. No feeling of being special. It is like standing alone at a high place. Very quiet. Very clear. But very lonely. You start losing some things. You lose the feeling of belonging to the trader crowd. You no longer enjoy debating right and wrong. You no longer find it fun to post P&L. You no longer want to tell your trading story to anyone. And in return, you gain something far rarer, silent respect for yourself. You know you don't lie. You know you don't break the plan. You know you don't run from emotion. You know you do the right thing, even when no one is watching. This self-respect doesn't come from short-term results. It comes from you being able to trust your behavior on the hardest days, when the account is in drawdown, when the system enters a bad stretch, when you doubt everything, and you still hold discipline. That's when you understand. No one can take this from you. They can take your money, can take opportunities, can take market edge, but they cannot take your ability to execute without emotion. This is the trader's final fortress. The outside world keeps getting louder, more rushed, more addicted to fast feelings, and that becomes your advantage. While others react, you wait. While others panic, you observe. While others chase feelings, you chase probability. You don't need to be faster than them. You only need to last longer. Long-term survivors are not the smartest ones. They are the ones who do not betray themselves. If you've made it this far, if every line above made you uncomfortable but also felt true, then maybe you're ready. Not ready to win, but ready to take absolute responsibility. Responsibility for every trade, every decision, every non-action. No blame, no justification, no hiding inside words. Only you and the system you chose. This road is not for the majority. It is cold, it is slow, and it doesn't make you feel like a hero. But if you walk it long enough, it gives you what very few traders have: power over your own mind. And in trading, there is no greater power than that. If you're still listening all the way to here, you are no longer someone searching for miracles. You are searching for truth. And the truth is, no one saves you from the market. Only you save yourself with non-negotiable discipline. If you choose this path, walk it in silence. Don't promise. Don't show off. Don't explain. Just every day do the right thing one more time.